Alright, let me just do a audio check and we'll get started. For those who don't, well, gotta make sure I got audio. Okay, but alright, good morning. For those who don't know, I am Playboy Francis and I'm trying to make $10,000 on a demo account following the top site rules, and currently I am at $290. Today what I'm looking for is to just stick with my plan, stick with my model, and not try to do anything impressive. Because I realized that all I've been trying to do is make a show, and I haven't really been focusing on the trading. So that's the goal for today, to just keep it cool and just do the trading, just focus on the trading. And that's exactly where I'll be. Okay, we went here, tag that. I just need more information. I don't know where we could go. I have no idea at the moment. I think the thing I had to overcome was thinking I have to do it faster. I have to get in quicker. Try and sustain an audience and entertain, but I'm realizing that that's not why I started doing this. The reason I started doing this is because it makes me uncomfortable, and I like that feeling. I like challenging myself. And the reason it's a demo account is because I knew if it was a live account, the same outcome would have happened. So why spend that money on a funded challenge account, blow it, and refund it? How about we just do a demo account, get used to live streaming, and then once I'm fully equipped with the right mindset, I'll start using real money or live or start doing a funded challenge account. So that's what my goal has been so far. 2017. Oh, no wonder. I'm looking at the wrong charts over here. Oh my goodness. I'm looking at my top monitor, and it wasn't on the right chart. Okay. Here we go. Now. Now we can feel more confident. I want to see how we respond here. It feels like a low resistance liquidity run. I'm actually gonna put my laptop on the side today. Here's the thing, I don't want to use the 5 or the 2 minute today. And I'm gonna see if that'll affect my trading. If I just don't use the 5 and 2 minute, will I take a setup? So that'll be the experiment for today. Because before live streaming, I would not use the 5 and I would not use the 2. All I would use is what you see right here on the screen. that. That's really clean. I like that right there. That's really clean. Look how Price was respecting this. This is, oh my goodness, this is nice. I think I'm in love. What the hell? Somebody's hacking my thing, because how are my charts just always changing randomly? Okay, I should maybe bring this up. I know, right? It's boring waiting the 15-minute, but it's the safest route. Like, I could be in it. I looked at the 2 and 5 minute, and I saw a bunch of setups. I'm like, okay, it's about retrace. I see it, right? I saw it here. I saw, okay, relative equal lows on the 2 minute and 5 minute. If we take those out, I know we're going to retrace to the order block that was on the 2 minute and 5 minute. And you see how it's just stupid? Like, I would have gone in a few handles, or I would have gone and stopped out, because then, just being in and out the market, it messes with your bias, messes with your narrative. It's not really worth it, in my opinion, actually. If we are able to come back lower right here, I would want to get in. Just wait. Call me crazy, but I think we're bearish still. I know, it sounds crazy, but I don't think we're bullish. I don't. Maybe for the moment. I just don't know. Okay, yeah, I guess what would need to happen for me to be bullish all week next week is if we close above above the week, the new. Here, I'll just show you. If we are able to close above this candle's opening, I would be bullish. I would 100% be bullish next week. But until then, I'm bearish. forget I have like a top monitor. It's 10:39. There's gonna be a new macro. Oh shit, my clock's delayed. I gotta fix that. 10:40. It's 10:40 now. That means we're That's my take on it. That's what I think will happen. I'm waiting. I need some like eye drops. Guess I don't have eye drops. I like that. Resistance. I'm not asking for way too much, but I prefer going long. When I have rushing thoughts, what I do is I acknowledge them and I dissociate from them. Because when I get rushing thoughts, I realize that's when I get the most anxious. But once I dissociate away from them, I can sense my body relaxing. I can sense it focusing more. Because I could think of all the million things that could go wrong. And if a million things go wrong, then I just gotta focus on what's happening now. Focus on this one thing and not the millions. And that's basically how I dissociate from the intrusive thoughts of, what if I lose? What if this happens? What if that happens? I realize that, yeah, all those things are possible. But I'm just going to focus on the one thing that will happen right now. Just one thing. Okay. It has 5 minutes. 5 minutes is full. 4 minutes. Doesn't do it now, it's going to do it at 11. Alright, questions I'm asking myself. Do I feel comfortable holding till 11? If it doesn't do it now, we'll do it at 11. Do I feel comfortable? Not really. Should I cut bait? That's what's going through my head. Should I cut bait? It has 3 minutes. In being honest, in 5 seconds, it could rocket fuel. And then the very 5 last seconds, it could do rocket fuel. That's why I want to be patient. At the same time, just how it could rocket fuel higher, it could rocket fuel lower. I guess that's where the lower time frames step in. Yeah. I know exactly where I would not want it to go. Has to do it now. If it doesn't do it now, I missed out. I'll just spool lower. I don't know how low, but it's gonna spool lower. Wait, I know how low. All I have to do is use the 2 minute. Come on, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, baby. 2 minutes. You got rocket spool. You got spool. In 2 minutes, you got 2 minutes. There we go, baby. There we go. Come on. There we go. She was shy. She's just shy at times. Sometimes she just doesn't want to do it right away, and that's okay. It's at her timing. She has a 10-minute window to do it. Technically, she has 20. Technically, she has 20, but I prefer to see her doing the 10 minutes. If she doesn't do it in those 10 minutes, the other 10 could just be a continuation. Come on. And I'm not asking for too much today. I just need a little motion, a little oil. That's it. I just need a little oil in my lantern. Just a little bit more oil. Come on, baby. Come on. Like gas on a fire. Just come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. A little more rocket fuel. I need you to keep on rocket fueling. I need to see some disrespect here. And then I want to see if we respect this. Can we respect that? I want to see if we could rock. Oh, we didn't. Alright, I want to see if we could trade lower than higher. Mission accomplished. We are at 290, 91. How much profit did we make? $88. Nice. $88. That's 8. That's gonna be 16. No, that'll be 17. No, that'll be 15. Shit. Yeah, it'd be 7. So 378.91. That's how much I have, and I'm gonna have call it. That's gonna be that's the live. I don't know. I want to make a YouTube video on going off tilt, on how it feels for me to take a loss. And I know it's a demo account, but you gotta look at the circumstances I'm in. I'm live streaming, and because I'm live streaming, that makes it feel like I'm trading with real money. But don't get discouraged, because the goal is to eventually go do a funded account and trade with real live funds and do this live. But before I could do live funds while live streaming, I gotta get used to doing it on a demo. Just how I got. Look, think of it this way: when I first wanted to become a trader, I wanted to learn, I had to start in a demo account, and then once I got comfortable on the demo account, I started using live funds. So right now, my goal is to get used to live streaming in a demo account before I go into doing a funded challenge in live funds. It's baby steps. But I want to just make a YouTube video on how it feels for me to lose, because when I lose, I get excited. I get really happy. I get really, really happy because I know I'm going to learn something from this. I guess as a Christian, I believe that there is a Satan, I believe that there is a God, and I believe that when I am faced with trials and tribulations, somehow Jesus is going to find a way out for me. He's going to make a way for me. And that always gets me excited. My car breaks down. I know he's going to make it better. I know something good's going to come from it. Lust, cheating, lying. I know when I'm tempted with those things, eventually I'll grow. An intrusive thought, I know he'll use it to teach me a lesson. Taking a loss, I know he'll teach me a lesson from it. And so I'm always excited, and I'm always looking forward to taking losses. Yesterday, I took a lot, and I won't lie, I felt the thoughts in my head just rushing, a bunch of thoughts of, what if I'm delaying myself? What if this doesn't work? What if what if I just give up, right? What if I just go back to how it was? And I realized that it was just in my head. It's just in my head that taking loss is just part of this, and just having, I guess, my faith in him. I trust that this might not make sense, but I trust that he's allowing me to take all these losses, and he's allowing me to feel those intrusive thoughts right after, and to do all this because he's helping me through that dip. There's always a dip before you go back higher. Actually, this is perfect. There's always a dip before your launch to your dream. You got a shooting star. Here's the shooting star. This is the meteor. This is your shooting star. This is where you start. You're at rock bottom, and you find a dip. Here's the dip. You're consolidating back and forth, and you're wondering, will I ever make it to this place? Will I ever reach that goal? And while you're consolidating, in my belief, when I'm faced with adversaries, I have me walking with Christ helps me go through these little consolidation periods of my life where I know I just can't handle by myself, but I trust that he's allowing it for a reason. And yesterday, when I had all those intrusive thoughts, it was revealed to me that you're having intrusive thoughts of, what if it hinders me? What if I can't do this? And what if I can't do that? And he helped me in a way of just releasing those thoughts. And he somehow reminded me that when you're live streaming, you get the exact same thoughts. You fall back into this little pit, and the only way out of this pit is just to be carried, just giving it to him, and realizing he's using this for greater purpose. I'm taking all these losses, right? I'm taking all these losses so I could learn something. And guess what? I'm learning a lot. I learned yesterday why I was taking all those losses. One, emotional. One, I'm using the 2-minute and 5-minute because I want to show off. I want to show the world that I could do this. When I should be showing myself that I could do this. When I should be showing myself that I could follow my rules. That social media won't influence me to get in and out of the move. And I guess just being able to correlate my personal issues and how I solve those personal issues is how I'm solving my issues here while trading, right? I get a lot of intrusive thoughts. I'm not diagnosed OCD, but I think I have OCD. And what I use to overcome that is what I use now to overcome this. And that's why I'm being walked with Christ. He's allowing those bad things in my personal life to happen so it could help me later on in the future. And I guess that's what's helped me. I'm really glad to come back from that losing streak I had yesterday. But losing is part of it. I love losing because I know it's just going to make me better. It's just going to help me get better. And I'm not discouraged. I'm ready for next week. I'm still live streaming. I'm not giving up. Yeah, really good. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.